How to crop a photo in GIMP. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crop an image in GIMP using two simple methods. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with a method 1, that is using the crop tool. So first, head over to the top menu and click on the tools, and after that a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Transform Tools and then Crop. You can also use the shortcut key Shift plus C to activate the crop tool quickly. And once it's active, you can simply left click and drag across your image to select the area that you want to crop. You can adjust the crop area by dragging the edges or corner. You can move it around as needed until you are happy with the selection. And when you're ready to crop, just click inside the selected area and that's it. Now your image is cropped. And with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is using rectangle select and crop to selection. So here is another way to crop image. So to do that, simply go to the tools and from the drop down menu, simply click on selection tools. And after that, you can simply click on rectangle select. And once you have done that, you can simply click and drag to create your selection. And just like before, you can resize it using the handles on the sides and corners. And once your selection looks good, you can go to the image in the top menu and you can simply click on the option labeled as crop to selection. And here, just like that, your image is cropped to the area that you have selected. And that's it. Two simple ways to crop an image in GIMP. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.